Engaged in violence with your mother?
I had pushed her that day, yes. That was the only time. Yes, sir.
That's incorrect.
All right, go ahead, ma'am.
Well, Your Honor, I raised Angie as a single mom from the time she was 3 to the age of 12. And I wanted to
Here's some tissue.
give her all the opportunities that I didn't have. Not only the opportunity, but education that I wasn't afforded. I just got that working several jobs.
Emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code system emergency alert system capability. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authority in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Be explicit about her spitting in your face. Be explicit about what you did wrong.
I stated that, sir. I said
No,
I
you
grabbed
didn't. You
her
said
arms.
because I did something wrong that I shouldn't have done.
Oh, what I did wrong?
Yeah.
I don't even remember.
I
It
know
was
you
something
don't.
small.
Go ahead.
Angie was really a good student, and until she was 15, I really didn't have a lot of problems with her.